Hello there, it's the turn of the Boulton Defiant Mk.1 from MPM. I've already built the Airfix version, but that's not available at the moment, so I bought this to get the Night Fighter variant I think I'll build. But this one's got high-tech detailed interior and is a new advanced technology, high-quality injection molded kit, so that's raises the expectations, doesn't it? Alright, so that's the box. It's just a side opening box, same on both sides. Is the instructions, black and white instructions. You get three different variants in the decal schemes. Night Fighter, Day Fighter with a black underneath, and I think it's another Night Fighter, black. The call outs for guns colours, but black is black, isn't it? As the song used to say. Right, so nice options. Unfortunately, it's all black and white instructions, but that's alright. You know, we've had them before. We checked and built a couple of this. Nice sprue map, and there's all these different options here. We got film parts, photo-etched, clear parts, polyurethane parts. That's resin parts, I think. And all these different options, and you've got what do you call them? Vacuum form ones as well. Vacuum ones. Sprue map. You've even got photographs of showing the interior, so you can, if you want to detail it, you can see what should be there. As there should be there. See. But of course it's black and white, so you can't really see what colours things should be. So they're trying, but yeah. Nice, very detailed interior, as the blurb said, what it promised. And that looks like the back seat, because then you build that's the back seat, because they got the gun placement there now. All different parts options. It's 5 parts for the instrument panel. It goes there, which you will be able to see. And nice bucket seat, and a little screen back as well, cushion, and it goes on like that pretty much through the instructions. Standard assembly, but the propellers on separate as well, which is unusual. Well, that can be unusual, but you've got the hub and then the propellers, so that'll be like building the actual thing in some ways. Got little drawings to show the different details about which way around things go and the angle things go. Yeah, I'm not sure what the example they've come from. I think it's probably one in one of the museums. Not sure what that shows. There's put some aerials and wires on there as well. Anyway, so you put the part on in that way, and then you spin it around, put it down on that way. That's their way of doing it. And yeah, just a standard diagrams. Don't have to make anything in this ourselves, because last MPM kit I had said do this bit yourself, which I found quite amusing. You get a whole pack of all different things in the box. You got the vacuform canopy. Now I don't need to use this, but it's hard plastic, but I don't understand vacuum, the attraction of it, but I'm sure that people love that sort of thing. I've already got the canopy there and the gun turret. I think it's called a Defiant because they were defiant about sticking their guns about how to design airplanes. Instead of having a machine gun come out of the wings, you'll have some blokey on the back with a turret, like the old days with the like a Bristol fighter in a way, for the next generation, which not really the best idea, but they meant well. They've never had airplanes till 30 years before that, did they? There's some polyurethane parts there, resin parts. There's a seat, there's the gun turret area, various parts here, the guns themselves. I think that's what that is, some part of the interior, the exhausts, and some of the seating areas. Look, some of these might be repeated on the sprue itself. This is the top that down there. There's the film part for the instrument panel. Nice decals. There's it's not Q, it's EW, and there's an roundel and K, so it's Ewok. But there's some nice good decals. They're quite sufficient. An actual old-fashioned original sprue, as we call it. Got two sprues, big one and a medium-sized one. But it's quite good recessed panels. And that one's quite clear of flash. This one's got a little bit of flash on it, on the wings there, but nothing more than you can just scrape that off in a couple of seconds. No problem at all, really. No problem at all with this. There's no short shots. It's all there. And a strengthening bar there, I think, in the wing, slightly sticking up on the end wings. And yeah, got a wheel well detail. Wheel wells enclosed to go on the back there. But that's what you have. A lot of things, options for you to have. 3 different decal options. And yeah, I should take your time. You have a nice kit. I'll quickly show you before I run out of time. This is what I did for the Airfix one, which I've probably shown you before. That's what I had with the Airfix version. Got a little bit of a movement in the turret. Pick it up and put it back down again. But hopefully the MPM one will be at least as good as this one is built together. And it'll be fun to do. But that's the Airfix one anyway. One of my survivors. But this is what I brought to show you. It's the MPM Boulton Defiant Mk.1 high-tech kit from MPM. Alright, ta-ra for now.